and Grandpa Pig's pet, Polly Parrot, is hiding in every picture. Can you find her? Well, Polly Parrot is inside a bubble above George's head. How did she get in there? Polly Parrot is on a leaf above Daddy Pig's head. Does she want to steal Peppa Pig's golden boots? Ooh, looks like Polly Parrot's here to have some ice cream. She's sitting on the umbrella of the ice cream bicycle. Polly Parrot is sitting on the compost inside the pot. Is she going to eat the compost? Ew! Polly Parrot is sitting on Daddy Pig's head. Maybe she wants to read some books. Did you find Polly Parrot in every picture? Clap for yourself if you did. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.